Thank you for joining us. So today what we're going to do is a top-down view as well as a close-up camera shot of the work that we're going to be doing on the lawn today. And the reason we're doing it this way is so that we can kind of best capture as many angles as possible of our work with our lawn care system that we've created here at Foxgreens. And what we're doing right now is basically clearing out, and we're going to be doing line by line, going little by little, clearing out the leaves on the lawn. And as you can see, whenever we're facing the side of the lawn that we've already mowed, we close our lawn care system in order not to dirty it again. And as it's inside the closed system, the leaves are getting mulched and mulched and mulched and mulched. And what the blower is doing, as you can see, is just any leftover debris that may be left behind by our system, we just blow it into the next line that the mower is gonna mow onto. So here he is doing the turn and emptying the basket in order to just free up a little bit of space for the lawn care system to handle the next line when it has to be closed again. But currently the lawnmower is open, the system is open, so the basket's open on the other side, because we're just distributing the leaves onto the dirty side. And right now we're gonna close it again in order not to dirty what we've already cleaned. And as you can see, the blower is just any leftover debris, we're just blowing it back onto the next line. So we're just keeping going little by little. We're just cleaning the debris that's left over from the clean lines and just taking our time. Right now I'm just kind of getting a pan shot of what's left of the leaves. Not much on the left side, but we got kind of a build up here, right where the blower and the mower are working. And yeah, we just repeat this process until the work is done. Very simple, nothing too complex. We always want to make sure that the work is simple, straightforward. Always we're gonna have to adjust for any changes in conditions, like very soft soil from wet conditions, as if it's been raining, if it's dry, you know, we always accommodate, we always do our best to accommodate. But right now it hasn't been raining much, it's just getting colder outside, and we're just taking our time, letting the machine mulch up the leaves. As you can see right there, as the machine passed by, we just mulched up the leaves, and we're closing our system yet again so that we don't dirty the clean side that we just did. And the machine's pretty much acting like a vacuum, and we're just vacuuming, picking up the leaves. Just think of it as a vacuum picking up dirt on the carpet. Any crumbs or any leftover dust bunnies that are down there, we're just picking them up, cleaning up on the sides that our mower is going over. And like I said, the blower is just picking up any leftover debris and just blowing it back onto the line that the mower is going to be going over. And as you saw right now, the person on the mower just opened up the system, our catcher, so that we can just discharge the leaves and the mulch leaves onto the dirty side that we're going to go over again. But we always close it when our discharge system is facing the dirty side, the clean side, sorry, so that we don't dirty our work again. So there you go, we're closing it up again, and we're just gonna go over the line. And we're doing this to make sure, I know I'm repeating myself quite a bit, but it's so that we don't dirty the clean side that we've done already. So as you can see, our catcher system is closed, we're mulching up the leaves, and we're just going little by little. And with that, we are done with the front. We're gonna split this video into two parts, basically, this property into two parts. We didn't want to do the back and include on this video because then it would kind of stretch out the length of the video too much, and we wanted to show as much as possible. So we're gonna upload what we do to the back of the property, which is also full of plenty of leaves, in this same filming style. So if you would like to check that out, please keep up with us. But right now we're just doing a little final walkthrough on the front. We're fully done. We completed it, and we're just getting some final shots in order to show the results of our lawn care system. And with our system, all you need is a mower and a blower, and you'll get these same results. So we're hoping that we can reach a point where you, the viewer, as well, will be able to use our system one day. We're working towards being able to share it with everybody. So if you're excited and want to join in and keep up with us, please follow our channel if you would like. And yeah, we'll keep making videos like this in order to show how our work is done. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you join us on the next video. Take care. Till next time.